one do you want? Jenny, Jolie, the hamster. The hamster, please. We need a hamster. Okay. Once upon a time, a boy called John had hamster. One day, the hamster was gone. Mommy, I want a hamster. No, he went out. No, he'll do popo. I promise you, he'll stay in a box. Is he stay in a box? Okay. Mommy, I need a money. Here you are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 euros. Thank you, Mommy. Hello. Do you want a hamster? Do you want a hamster? Here you are. Thank you. I need a box. You need a box. Here you are. Thank you. How much is it? 10 euros. Here you are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 euros. Bye bye. Bye bye. Mommy, I have a hamster. Where is he? Here in the box. My God, it's time to go to sleep. Good night, Mommy. Good night, Michael. Where is the hamster? Here in the box. Good night, hamster. Aki is for you. Good morning, Michael. Wake up. Good morning, Mommy. Where is the hamster? Here in the box. The hamster is gone. What did Mommy tell you? The hamster must stay in a box. Where is the hamster? My God, have a look in the hamster in the window. No. My God.